Hi friends! Today, you guessed it, we're gonna read Meet Polkadot. Meet Polkadot.
Hi, I'm Polkadot.
I was born in the summertime. My whole family was so happy to meet me. My sister Gladiola was the third person to hold me. It's a baby! It's pretty cool, huh?
Instead of saying girl or boy, you say, it's a baby.
Gladiola is a girl. This is her gender identity.
She says she just knows that she is a girl because people know what is true about themselves, silly.
My parents agree. They also say that it's not super cool to say someone is silly. Many of us have been told that there are only two options when it comes to gender identity, boy or girl.
It is said
to be one of these two genders, you must look, act, and even feel certain ways. We are told, check a box, either or, only one. You may not proceed until you choose. While the colors, clothes, toys, feelings, and behaviors
associated with these two choices fit some of us, some of the time. They fit few of us all of the time. These two choice models is called the gender binary. Binary refers to the two parts, boy and girl.
What gender means and looks like can change over time, from culture to culture. While some cultures make room for lots of gender identities, most do not. Most ask us to choose boy or girl. Please check a box. I don't want to check a box.
I don't want to check a box either.
We're not gonna check boxes. We refuse to.
Just like Polkadot.
A box is no place for a human. It's dark in here. We can hardly move. Look, there's Polkadot in the same box.
Wow, this is bananas. The gender binary is not my favorite thing at all. It leaves so much out.
I'm so sorry that people insist you choose boy or girl, Polkadot. Who does that?
Who doesn't, Gladiola? It seems like I'm asked to choose everywhere all the time. From the bathrooms to the toy aisle, from the toothbrushes to Little League. It's exhausting, and it's not the truth about gender. Toys don't have a gender.
They're just toys.
They're just toys.
In a bathroom,
I don't need to use a gender.
I need to use a toilet. I'm not a boy or a girl. I am real and true, but in my culture, there's not a lot of room for me. Well,
I'm glad that I have you as a friend.
Let's see what Gladiola has to say. Wow, I didn't even know that I didn't know these things, Polkadot.
Polkadot, what do you do when someone asks you the question, are you a girl or a boy? I say no. I'm Polkadot, and that's my gender identity.
It seems that some people are learning that they don't even know everything there is to know about gender.
The truth is that just like size, ethnicity, age, ability, and other identities, gender identity is also diverse. This means that there are many different gender identities.
Gender identity is what you know to be true about your own gender. Polkadot, you make sense to me and to our whole family. Thanks, Gladiola. You make sense to me too. You are right. All gender identity is awesome!
My best friend Norma Alicia reminds me that gender identity is one truth about ourselves, but it does not reflect all that is true about ourselves.
Polkadot is my favorite friend. Polkadot understands when I say that I am not only a
girl. I am a brown girl. I am a brown girl with freckles who speaks Spanish. I dream of growing wings and flying. I am a brown girl with freckles who speaks Spanish. Dreams of flying, and my family comes from Mexico.
I call my mom Mama, and she calls me Mija, which is a special way of saying my daughter. Polkadot is my favorite friend who knows that being brown, being a girl, being a Mija with freckles who wants to fly, all these things together mean me. What makes up you? What are the things that make up you?
I'm green and I have polka dots on my tongue. I like polka dots. Polkadot is my best friend and I like art.
That's awesome. I want to help others understand that we can only know a person's identity from what they choose to tell us.
Gladiola, You're right, each person is an expert in their own identity. No doctor, parent, therapist, friend, or teacher can tell us what our gender is. Grown-ups think they know that our gender identity is when we are born because of our private parts. They have learned that this completes the truth about our gender, when actually we are our own expert.
Now, thankfully, more grown-ups are now catching up with us. It is so important that we all learn about differences. This helps us recognize that differences aren't scary or wrong. They are only different from how we might be. I am grateful to have a lot of people with different experiences in my life. This makes my life happy and healthy.
Some friends of mine are transgender, like I am, and I'm grateful to spend time with them because we share experiences. This is important for us. Trans kids like us are real and true. We don't want to have special treatment or special attention.
We want people to understand that we are the experts in our own identities, and we should be free and safe to be who we are everywhere and every day. If you believe in us, you can help us be free. I hope everyone enjoyed Polkadot.
All right, goodbye everyone. Remember to stay safe and always read books.